Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to BOMBA Slots channel analytics. He has uploaded 166 videos. He now has 8.45k subscribers with a total view of 1,145,531 views. He's from Canada, and he created his channel since September 6, 2020. The grade he got is B-, and his social blade ranking is at 1,042,821st. The subscriber ranking is 1,931,682nd, and then video view rank is 2,950,080th. He ranked at 258,154th in Canada. Next, the daily subs for BOMBA is around 71 with a daily view of 14,875. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 15,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $60. Then, monthly income will be $1,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $990 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $11,880. That is how much BOMBA Slots earns from YouTube.